ASCO Quality Training Program, in QTP, is a program to educate and to highlight those who work in oncology about quality improvement education, training, and implementation. What we hope is that this would encourage and inspire young minds and in oncology specifically to learn more about quality improvement.
We should be patient-centric, in other words. So the patient is the one who benefits from this kind of meetings and ultimately from everything that we do and we learn as medical professionals.
It's amazing that when you teach this course in the United States and internationally, that there are many similar problems despite where you are, who you're talking to. And a lot of the problems that we see in the United States still are in Romania and also all other international places. So the same concepts apply, and I hope that that's what the participants were able to get.
In our team, it was an example that practice makes perfect, so we learned from the first exercise how to be better in the second run, and this is important.
When you have a team, you know that you need to communicate, but you need to have a structure. You need to test, implement, and this is a thing that we don't do because we weren't learned to do in that way.
We all need to work as a team to improve oncology care, and I really believe that everyone here today had that in mind, and it was amazing to see that this conference included so many more non-physicians than physician participants. And that's truly unique because we all are part of that patient team, not just the physician, but everyone that was involved. And I only wish that we can continue that outside the United States more often and even within, because that's something that's not seen too often. So what was done here in Romania to include everyone part of the healthcare team is amazing.